a review on LED shoes. What? So the brand I got was Sanyo's LED shoes, USB charging off of Amazon. Now I paid $40 for mine, and I'm going to see if this brand works. And at the end of the video, I'll be putting a link in the description below, so in case they work, you should buy this brand. Now, a reason why I got this one is because it was Prime shipping, and so that means it only comes in 2 days instead of waiting forever from China. So now let's see if it works. So first that came in the package was the charger. So it's a USB and it comes with 2 cables. And I heard from a lot of other people that you shouldn't charge it in the wall and it should be charged in the computer. So I kind of don't want to risk it, so I'll be charging mine in the computer. So now the time you've all been waiting for to see if it works. Okay. I'm not wearing any socks, but I'm pretty sure I should. Okay, so by the cable slot, there are these 2 buttons. And ready, set. Oh, they work! Oh, they look so good. Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, they have more than one color. Ooh, I like these. Well, I definitely give these an A+.
Hey Ron, where are you? It's dark. I can't see you. The lights went out. Oh, there you are.